Resizing an image in Mailchimp. Ensure it fits well within your email designs and looks professional. Here's a straightforward guide to resizing images. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and either create a new campaign or edit an existing one. Access the Design Emails tab. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can add or edit content. Insert or select an image block. Drag and drop an image block from the Content Block section into your email layout. If you want to resize an existing image, click on the image within the email editor. Resize the image. In the editor, once the image is inserted or selected, click on the image to access its settings. You will see handles around the image. Drag these handles to resize the image proportionally. Image settings. Alternatively, you can adjust the image dimensions directly in the settings panel on the right by entering specific width and height values. Save and preview. After resizing, click Save and Close and preview your email to ensure the image displays correctly. Test and adjust. Send a test email to check how the resized image appears across different devices and email clients.